Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to change font size, style, and color in Shopify, no coding needed. Have you ever browsed through a Shopify store and noticed how some stores just seem to pop with vibrant text that perfectly complements their brand? Well, today, we're going to unlock the secrets to achieving that same level of textual pizzazz in your own Shopify store, all without needing to touch a single line of code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to transform your store's text, making it not only more appealing but also a true reflection of your brand's unique voice. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's begin by accessing the powerhouse behind your store's visual appearance, the Shopify theme editor. To get started, log into your Shopify admin account. If you're not familiar with it, the admin area is like the command center of your online store. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll notice an option labeled Online Store. Give it a click. This is your gateway to all things related to your store's look and feel. After clicking on Online Store, navigate to Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme displayed. This theme is essentially the template that dictates how your store looks. Right next to your theme, you'll find a button labeled Customize. Click on it, and you'll enter the theme editor. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now, once you're inside the theme editor, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll find a section usually titled Theme Settings, often accompanied by a gear icon. Click on this section, as it contains the options crucial for changing your store's typography, which refers to the font styles and sizes, as well as the color scheme. In the theme settings, you'll find two key sections, typography and colors. These are your primary tools for adjusting everything related to fonts and colors. Let's start by diving into the typography section. This is where you can change the font styles and sizes for various text elements, such as headings and body text. To change the font for a specific text element, simply click on its font selection field. Shopify provides a wide range of fonts to choose from. You can browse through them or search for a specific font that matches your brand's style. Now, if you want to adjust the font size, you'll find sliders or input fields right next to the font selection. These are labeled with terms like base size or heading size. You can either use these sliders to adjust the size or enter a specific pixel size directly. This way, you can control exactly how large or small your fonts appear on your site. Next, let's move on to adjusting the font color. Switch over to the Colors section. Here, you'll discover color pickers for various text elements, such as text, headings, and links. To change the color, simply click on the color swatch next to the element you wish to alter. A color palette will pop up, allowing you to choose a new color. If you have a specific color code in mind, you can enter it directly to ensure a perfect match with your brand's color scheme. Don't forget, after you've made all these exciting changes, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the theme editor. Clicking it ensures that all your modifications are applied to your Shopify store for everyone to see. And there you have it. Without touching any code, you've just revamped the look of your Shopify store, giving it a fresh and dynamic appearance. Thank you for tuning in to PMN Online, and happy designing! Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to change font size, style, and color in Shopify, no coding needed, quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to change font size, style, and color in Shopify, no coding needed, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.